Yep, that's me at 51 years old. My name is Jaginder Singh Mudar, and in 1981 I left Waldensboro High School with 7 O-levels and instructions from my parents that I would be working with my father for the rest of my life at the steel rolling mills. So it was with relief that in 1988, when the steel industry in the UK was privatised and many companies closed down as a result, that both my father and I were made redundant, and I was finally allowed to pursue other avenues of employment. I did, however, get an HNC in electronics as well as experience in mechanical engineering. I wanted something new, and as a result went to work for Tandy's, also known as Radio Shack in the USA. I applied for the position of store manager. During my interview by the regional manager, I was told that I did not have what it took to be a manager. Big mistake. I asked, gritting my teeth, exactly how does one become a manager? He responded that I had to achieve top sales for my region. I said, okay, when do I start? I was appointed as an assistant sales rep for the Dudley branch. Within 6 months, I achieved number 1 position in the regional sales. In 9 months, I was number 4 in the national sales. At the end of the year, the same regional manager requested my attendance to offer me the Birmingham branch. He explained with pride of how much I would be earning and how the Birmingham shop would be a coveted premises. When he had finished and waited for my acceptance, I kindly refused and handed in my resignation. For the first time, a well-composed professional developed a stutter and asked why. I replied that almost 1 year ago he sat across me and told me of my abilities and that I was not capable of becoming a manager. I took the job to prove a point and that he had no right to tell me what my abilities were. I thanked him for his kind offer and left his office. I then became a forklift engineer where I developed an electronic test module for the mechanical engineers to repair electrical faults on forklift trucks. This saved a lot of wasted man hours in on-site faults which required an electrician. My only regret? I didn't patent the design. It was during my employment with Lucas's when my family decided they wanted to be the proud owners of a petrol station. It was here that I first became aware of drive-offs, a practice by criminals whereby they deliberately steal fuel with intention of not paying for it. It took one of these guys who, after filling his car with fuel, proceeded to drive past the pay window, waving goodbye to me and mouthing the words, "Thank you." Well, that was it. I then sat down, designed, patented and successfully took the drive-stop system to market. Today it is in 14 company-owned sites and 4 independent petrol stations, making it a total of 18 petrol stations nationwide. I have given numerous demonstrations of the system to the police nationwide and even met famous people to receive awards for Product of the Year in 2007, not to mention the numerous radio and TV interviews which in themselves were more nerve-wracking than taking an idea to market. Due to health issues, I am looking for a company or an investor to take over the operation and remove this kind of criminal behaviour off the British forecourts with the support of the UK police force.